Can we switch back to old mail app on iPhone iOS 18? If you've recently updated your iPhone to iOS 18 and you're not loving the changes to the mail app, don't worry. In today's video, we'll figure out, can we switch back to the old mail app and get the layout and features you're used to? So let's dive right in. The first things first you can try is switching to the classic view for your inbox. It might not completely revert everything, but it will help you get a layout that feels more like the older version. Simply open the settings app on your phone and scroll down and tap on apps and find mail. Here you might find an option that says view settings section, and under that you can find an option that says classic view under the inbox style. If you have that, it may be because of some default reason. Simply turn on classic view if you have. If not, let's move to our next option. Simply download Gmail and make it your default mail app so that it opens automatically when you click on an email link. So to do that, back on mail, scroll down and tap on default mail app and simply choose the third party app, that is Outlook or Gmail, and tap on it as your new mail app. Now whenever you click on email link or try to send an email, the new app will automatically open instead of the built-in mail app. Now while you can't switch back to the old mail app, you can at least make the changes that will bring you closer to what you've used to. And that's it for today's video.